Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove this arrow here on your Google Chrome browser. And this is very easy, but you just need to watch me carefully so that you will never make any mistake. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So how do you go about doing that? Go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar and simply type in regedit, and you will see the register editor. You want to go ahead and find it and run that as administrator. You'll get a pop-up, click on yes. Now from here, make sure that you collapse all of these folder here, and from here you want to expand H key local machine. Then from here, go ahead and expand software. Then you want to scroll down and look for Microsoft, and as you can see Microsoft here, you want to expand that as well. Then you want to scroll down and you want to look for Windows. So scroll down to where you have the W section and you will find Windows. You want to go ahead and expand this as well. Then look for current version. As you can see the current version here, you want to go ahead and expand this as well. Now where you have Explorer, right click on that, then click on new, and you want to create a new key. Now this is going to allow you to create a new folder here under the Explorer, and for that folder you want to go ahead and name it shell icons. And as you can see, the S is uppercase and the I is also uppercase for the icon. So shell icons. Now once you do that, ensure that you click on the shell icons folder, and from here go ahead, right click on here, click on new, and you want to create a new string value. Now for the string value, you want to go ahead and you want to name this string value 29. So once you name this 29, then you want to double click on it, and for the value data, you want to go ahead and you want to paste this. Now you can find this within the description of this video, so you can go ahead and you can find this value data that I've entered here. You'll find it in the video description below. Now once you go ahead and do this, click on OK, and from here go ahead and minimize this for the time being. You realize that it's still there, so in order to ensure that this is gone, you want to go ahead and ensure that you open up your task manager. So right click on the Windows icon in your taskbar, click on task manager, and you want to scroll down and look for File Explorer. Now if you don't see File Explorer in the list, I would advise, in order to trigger this, just open up your File Explorer. And as you can see, I have File Explorer here, but just in case you're checking it and you don't find File Explorer, you can simply open up File Explorer. This will trigger this process, and you want to right click on this and do a restart of the File Explorer. Now once you restart the File Explorer, as you can see, the arrow is now disappeared from the icon. So this is how you can easily do it. Now for any reason you want to get this back, you want to ensure that you remember the path and the folder that you created, and here is that path. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this path and I'm going to also put it in the description of this video as well, so that you can keep this for future use. If for any reason you want to get back that arrow on your icon, all you have to do is just go back to the shell icons folder that you created, and this 29 value here, you want to go ahead and delete it. So you can simply click delete or right click on it and click delete, then click on yes, and then you want to go ahead and restart your computer, or as I said, you can go ahead and you can restart the File Explorer. So you want to look for the File Explorer in the list again, or if not, click and open up your File Explorer. This will trigger it to show up in your processes, and you want to look for File Explorer again within your processes. In case you're looking for it and you don't find it, simply close the Task Manager, reopen the Task Manager once again, and you will find the File Explorer in the list. Now once you find the File Explorer in the list, just simply right click on it again and restart, and you will notice that you get back the arrow. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.